Hey guys, today I just got slime. Yeah, this is a bad camera. You'll never be seeing my face. Here are good sounds. Here are good slime videos. My face will not be shown in this, so I gotta turn this away. So while I go find something to cover my face. Yep, my second video. I'm sorry, guys. First thing, I'm gonna hide. Well, I'm sorry, I actually changed it to what? Will I hide under the slime? Get back, slime! Oh, it's too. Not too big. Sorry about that, guys. I'll be right back. Be the following video. I will be covering you. And you guys. Got it? According to my vid, I'm hiding. You're going to be saying what is in it between my character, the golden fox right here, her, football, the Skylander. Here's a better look at the Skylander. And this, my carrots, and this. Let me count how many this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to have 5 rounds, and you got to put down each one of those in 1, 2, 3, and 5. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I did it badly. Well, you do that, okay? I'm going to be covering. I'm going to put you guys down. You know what? It's talk show time with the elf. Yes, there's now talk show time. Oh, there's my elf. Pads. Yes, I am getting my dad to do the elf. Well, I'm going to touch the elf, but not with my bare hands. So I can bring her down. So we have talk show time. Now, Christmas. You're my elf. You see, I'm not touching her with my bare hands. Okay, I'm just grabbing my thing that keeps my thing standing. While you talk to her, I will be doing the thing. You gotta guess. Okay. Hey, guys. So, hi. I'm Christmas the elf. Christmas, we know who you are. And yes, I did name my elf Christmas. And so, for that, I like that name. And, yeah. I could put on music anytime I like. So, I am so stupid. Isn't that a beautiful song called I Am Stupid? I know. Who wouldn't want to listen to that song? Well, one day I could make a song, but it'd be hard. But please give me over 1 subscriber. This is my newest video. Yay! There's not going to be much video since I have to have my permission to use my camera. Christmas while you talk. I'm sorry I did it. I'm sorry about that. But Christmas would like to say something.
Be good for Santa, or I can report it.
Yes, you will, Christmas. And what's one?
It is not receiving. You do not want to receive gifts, but give. Giving is better than receiving. Merry Christmas.
And that's the talk show with
The elf on the shelf. Oh.
And I am Christmas. Oh, I'm sorry. My Christmas is being herself.
And that's the talk show with Christmas. Christmas. Have Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year.
Okay. So guys, let me just put you down so you don't. And let me get my stand back up. Now, I'll go get someone named my sister to help me with something or not. Either way, I'll go over here. I'm gonna call this. I'm calling my friend so she can help me with this. And I'm sorry about that.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic.
And my friend won't answer, so I'm fine with that. Now let's think. You guys comment down below what you think, what you thought was in number 1. Okay? We'll do that at the end. Do not put in the answer. Okay. Okay, let's see what's in it. Pull at my sleeves. Did you guys guess? What is this? The carrot! I bet you did not. Remember, don't cheat. Don't be a jerk. It's Christmas! Yeah, I just got this sign today. And so, number 1. Yay. Number 2. It is Chibi time. It's Puppy Show.
Mr. Hi, Papa. Would you like to be in this shot? Here we go, Mister.
Have fun with Mister. Watch the following video. And this is true. You do not see my face, so that's good. Be back.
It's over. Yes, it is. Chili, we love you so much.
I'm sorry to say. Please do not click. Please, you do not click away. Here we go. Carrot is number 1. Tomorrow's video. The next video. Let's see. Let's take it apart. Write down your comment for what number 2. What do you think is number 2? Pause this video and put your answer for number 2. And yes or no. Okay. Are you back yet? I'm glad you are. Now, I'm opening it. Let's see if you were correct. If you get them all correct, guess what? You get a shout out by, well, this is number 2. Mike D is number 2. By me. I will shout you out. Let me just scooch back. I will shout you out. I will shout you out. And next. Dun, 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 dun. It's Christmas! Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, there's only going to be 3 because I think that would be easier. But you got to guess between all of mine. No talk hour.
Time for bed.
Daddy,
9 o'clock.
Wait.
Let's go. Huh?
I'm doing something real quickly.
I mean, it's 9.
I'm
you
almost
still gotta
done.
You gotta read your book.
I'm almost done. Okay?
I'm always tired of arguing every night.
Shh. Please. I'm almost done. Yeah. Wall number 3. Bye, guys. Have a great day.